Agent Matt, and welcome back to the agency's YouTube series. Today we are going to be discussing a topic that most of you have probably already considered, or you're currently considering this topic, and that is, should you trade binary options or Forex? Now to start off, we're going to give you our definitions. Forex trading is speculating that the value of one currency will increase or decrease compared to another. Obviously, you're doing this in an attempt to make a profit, and it's a lot like normal stock trading, except Forex involves currency pairs. So now, to make this a little easier to understand, we provide you with an example. Hypothetically, the Euro-USD currency pair is trading at $1. And if you think this currency pair is going to go up, you would buy a lot and wait for this price to increase, so that way you can sell it at a profit. Kind of straightforward, but you could be waiting years for your currency pair to go up. You simply don't know. And that's why we recommend you stay away from Forex, is just the time commitment. Now, binary options, on the other hand, you only have to predict if the price of an asset, which is your currency pair, or you can even trade stocks, will increase or decrease from its current price within a given time frame, such as 30 minutes. Pretty straightforward. Now, we gave you another example. So the Euro-USD is now once again trading at $1. And you think it's going to go up, so you would place a call trade for the given time frame, such as 30 minutes. The currency pair only has to go up a small amount, for example, 0.0001, and you would make around average 80% profit. That's pretty sweet if you ask me. Based on these definitions, you can see that it's much easier to understand binary options. You as a trader simply have to choose whether the price of your asset is going up or down, and Forex requires information on lots, and you may have to wait years to make a profit. Binary options, you can make a profit in as little as 60 seconds. Next, we're going to discuss your max risks, which is very important. Now with Forex, even if you place a stop loss order, you can't be 100% certain that you will only lose your initial investment. Now, what does that mean? So, say you invested $1,000 and your Forex trade went bad, you could owe as much as $2,000, meaning you have to put up more capital to your broker before they sue you. Now that's pretty scary if you ask us, and we try to stay away from Forex because of that. Now, one of the great things about binary options trading is you always know the exact gain or loss before you even take a trade. You as the trader set the risk. Even if a trade loses, you can receive as much as 10 to 15% of your investment back, which is very good in our opinion. And most binary options traders even allow you to fold your trade, which means simply to sell it if your trade goes bad, and that way you can avoid big losses. Alright, so next we're going to be discussing the payouts of both types of trading, which is obviously the main reason you guys are interested in these forms of trading. Now with Forex, you never know the maximum profit you can make on a trade, which can be good in some scenarios because you can make a surprise profit, but the majority of the time it's a bad thing because you always make less than you think you're going to because of variables such as slippage. And as I said earlier, it can take years for you to make a profit, which is why we are recommending binary options, because you know the exact payout of the trade you take and the exact loss return percentage if your trade finishes out of the money. Now, the majority of binary options brokers offer an 80% return on your investment, which is a very good, and sometimes they even offer as much as 400% depending on the time of the year and the option you are trading. So what does this mean? Say you invested $500 on a winning binary options trade. You will receive in return $900 or a $400 profit in as little as 60 seconds. Guys, you have to get in on this form of trading. Okay, so lastly, we will be discussing the trading costs of both types of trading. Now with Forex, you have to consider the spreads, the rollover swaps, and if there's any commissions on your trades. And obviously, these factors can seriously cut into your profit margins. Now, with binary options, none of these things exist. And the amount that you get paid out is the amount that you can take home that very day. Now, in conclusion, I'm sure you guys saw this one coming, but binary options are clearly the way to go. It's not that you can't make money in Forex, it's just that binary options offers a lot more, such as an easy platform for every trader to understand, lower risks on each trade, which makes it easier to make a profit, and bigger payouts, so that way you can take home a serious paycheck each week. This combination of low risks and big payouts is a hard thing to find in any trading industry. And lastly, there's no trading costs, which means you take home exactly what you get. Now, don't get too excited because there are a lot of scams in the binary options industry, so this is how we recommend you get started. Obviously, you need a broker. And in the video description below, we have included the agency's approved brokers. This is a very prestigious list of brokers, and they offer the best customer service and approval rating in the industry. Next, we recommend that you join our free Live Signals group that holds weekly webinars, strategy development sessions, and there's expert traders providing profitable signals around the clock anytime the markets are open. It's the best way to jumpstart your binary options career. And lastly, we recommend that you subscribe to the agency, either on our website or our YouTube channel, and you can find us on Facebook where we post regularly about scams and tips that will make you profitable. We're also on Instagram and Twitter. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope this video made it easy for you to understand if you want to trade binary options or Forex.